Hey everyone, I'm Patrick Howell, and today I'm going to show you how to make a dress form. Okay, next step, we're going to take the pieces that we used to make the dress form, we're going to add seam allowance to them, and we're going to turn it into a cover. I'm going to trace them right onto the fabric and add seam allowance. Alright, so here goes. Alright, so I've used my pattern and added seam allowance to make the cover for the dress form. So this is what it looks like all finished. and I think it looks really good. So there are lots of reasons why a dress form made from your exact body mold is a good thing. Now you can fit things on your dress form and see where they hang, where necklines go. It's just a really great thing to have. I, out of desperation, needed to make a dress form because someone asked me to make a harness, and I couldn't do it just on paper or just on the table. I really needed to see how it was going to hang on the body. So I took my fitting and I cut it in mat like we did today and built my own dress form. So I hope this helps you, and thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And there will be more details to come later. There are still some things I need to work out. But so far, I think she looks really good.